Hi, today I'm just gonna demonstrate one of the features that we recently released in Stormkit. This feature was in beta, but now we made it in generally available. So to do that, I'm just gonna go to my example project here. And you can see I made some deployments in this project, but let's check the manifest first. So I have some server-side rendering, as you can see, and I also have some APIs that I created in this project. And there are only two API endpoints, and one of them is just like a index endpoint, and another one is just a post endpoint. And if I want Stormkit to hit a subscribe endpoint periodically, I can now do that via triggers functionality. So I will come here and I will create a trigger endpoint, and I will do it every minute. So you can set the parameters of your request here. You can also put some key value pair here so that it can change the logic in your endpoint. So I created this, and the moment I will enable this entity, Stormkit will hit this endpoint every minute. So this could be useful if you just need to update some data, or if you need to run your functions periodically. So you can use this functionality. And thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoy this feature.